腿。
对了，咱们的祖先啊，就是这样创造了象形文字。像什么？
哦，我来写。那怎么办呢？
来，
王。好，抓住了，抓住了，嘿嘿，抓住了！小鸟飞来了。鸟啊，不对，是燕子。
哎，这就对了。
云。哎呀，下雨了。
不要紧，不要紧。你瞧，
哈哈，伞，这下好了。哎呀，翻船了，快救救他吧！多亏有这块大石头。好冷啊！哎呦！
那就
火，哎，太好了！哦，好啊！哎呀，房子。
这个字念社。
哦，
谢谢。
羊。
谢谢你救了我。
不用不用。
谢谢你收下吧。
好，谢谢。哦，小龙虎在哭呢。
那把它也带上吧。
好。花。哎呀，粥太小，会沉的。
哈哈，够累的。要是把花插在草帽上，晕2次不就行了吗？
哦，马、蜂、花、羊、虎、象、鹿、屎、女。
哈哈哈，女就是妈。
子。哦，这才是我。爸爸，爸爸。
女就是妈妈。
哦，爸爸给妈妈带花了。
好。
Hello everyone, welcome to the Chinese class. Just now I show a video of the Chinese characters. So today we will learn Chinese characters and the numbers. We have learned lesson 1 and 2, lesson 4. we have learned many Chinese characters. Before we go to the content today, we will make a quick review of what we have learned. And in lesson one, we have learned the greeting, how to greet others. 你好，你好，您好，你们好，对不起，没关系。And in lesson 2, we learned 谢谢，不谢，谢谢你，不客气，再见，再见。And in lesson 3, we learned how to ask one person's name. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ We also can say 你叫什么？你叫什么？ The answer will be 我叫李月。你是老师吗？我不是老师，我是学生。你是老师吗？我不是老师，我是学生。你是中国人吗？我不是中国人，我是巴基斯坦人。你是中国人吗？我不是中国人，我是巴基斯坦人。And we also learned, and in Tuesday, the past Tuesday we have learned, 他是谁？他是谁 ？Who is she？ 他是谁？他是我的汉语老师，他叫李月。他是我的汉语老师，他叫李月。你是哪国人？你是哪国人？我是巴基斯坦人，你呢？我是巴基斯坦人，你呢？我是中国人，我是中国人。And also we learned 他是谁？他是我同学。他是我同学。他呢？他是你同学吗？他不是我同学。他不是我同学。他是我朋友。他是我朋友。Okay, today we'll learn some Chinese characters and numbers. The students who entered the class earlier, you can see I show a short video. That's about Chinese characters. Here, before we learn the Chinese characters, I want to introduce a little bit. For the Chinese language, it's a very old language. It has the written records of the Chinese language was found over 3,000 years ago. So that is in the Song Dynasty. We use the Chinese character and until now, the same language, same words. But there's some little change of the words according to the development of history. So this is the first written records found in China. This bones and shells we can find in many museums in China. So let's look at some Chinese words first. For example, this one means mountain. This one means mountain. In the ancient traditional Chinese language, it's written like this. 3,000 years ago, it's written like this, and later it come to this form, and later changed to be this. And nowadays we use this form. This one, shan. This means mountain. And for this one, small. And in ancient time, we write it in this form. And then change to be this, and now to be this. And also this one, bu. Bu means no. No. So in the ancient time, it's used like this. And later changed to be this. And to be this. And now we use it as this. Bu. We have learned it. So here, for the Chinese characters, the basic Chinese words are single component words, the single component words. And for the single one, most of the original words of Chinese characters, they are come from pictures. They are come from pictures. So they always say Chinese language is pictograph. It's a pictograph. We say it words come from pictures. For example, look at this one. Look at the first one. This is the sun. The sun. And in the ancient time, we write these. We write these words to express the word sun. We write a circle, then a dot. And after 100 of years, it changed to be days, and then changed to be days, and to be days, and now, in nowadays, the Chinese language we use is like this. We use this one, this word, 日. This is a Chinese character, 日. This express the meaning of sun. This is a word sun. We write like this. It comes from this picture. It comes from the picture of sun. It's a circle and a dot. Then change to be this, and now we use this one. This is the word we use nowadays. And also look at this one. This is the moon. And in the ancient time, when we write moon, we write this one. We write this as a Chinese character. The meaning is moon. And then after 100 of years, it changed to be days. And then thousands years changed to be days. And now it changed to be days. It is still very similar with the picture of moon. So this is 月. This means moon. This means moon. And also this one, 手, hand. So we also write the hand as these characters, and later it changed to be days, and then days. Now we use this one. So this is hand. Also comes from picture. Also comes from pictures. Hand. When we draw the hand, it comes to the Chinese character. This one, hand. And also this one. The original word of mountain in Chinese is this. The original word of mountain in Chinese is this. In ancient time, the written form of mountain is this. You can see it's like to draw the mountain. It's like to paint a mountain. So after that, it changed to be this one. Nowadays, we use this word to be mountain. Nowadays, we use this. You can see it's still like this one, mountain. And then this one, fire. In ancient time, we use this word to express fire. This one, and now it changed to be this. Now we use this one. Because it's a long history language, over 3,000 years. So in a long history, when people use the word, then it gets changed again and again. So the ancient time, the fire is written like this way, and now we write like this. Fire. And also other ones, same. This one we have learned. Do you remember we have learned this one? 巴基斯坦人, 中国人. This one, 人. 人 means people, person. It also comes from the picture. In the ancient time, we write person. We write like this. And now we write this. It is a person, means person. And also this one means tree, means wood. Means tree, means wood. It is a tree. We write it, we use it. Now we use this one. It is a tree. It means tree, wood. And this one is the sun. This one is the moon. We can see there are some examples. There are some examples here. We can see this one, mouse. And now it comes from a picture. And now we write mouse, we use this one. It's a square. So this is the Chinese character. Kou means mouth.
Oh.
And the second one, ear. So it also comes from a picture, ear. In ancient time, we write it like the picture. Then after thousands of years, it changed to be this word, ear. Ear. And also eyes. In the ancient time, when we write the Chinese character, eyes, we write like this. We draw an eye and the circle inside. But after thousands of years, it changed to this one. It's a square. Then 1, 2, mu. This one means eye, sun, moon, fire. And also look at this one, the second row, the first one, this one, yang. Yang means a goat or sheep. So here, this one, yang. In the ancient time, we write it like this. You can see the goat like this. It's a Chinese character. But later, it changed to be this one. Yang. And for the bird in the Asian one, the Asian people, they just draw a bird to be the Chinese character. But after thousands of years, it changed to be this one, 鸟. This one. These are the Chinese character we use nowadays. And this one, rabbit. We write it like this way, then change to be this way. And this one, tree, wood. We write this way. And this one, 河. They write like this one, then we write like this one nowadays. It is the plant of rice. The plant of rice. This one, and then this one. And also this one, we write it like this. Bamboo, we write it like this. So these are some examples of the original words come from. We can see that for the Chinese words, lots of Chinese words, they come from pictures. The original Chinese words are come from pictures. For example, this one, also some come from, for example, this one, this is a person stand here.